and how to cope with it.
Okay. Example of it, most of the time, yung mga students, or like you, my son, encounter some problems na hindi mo kayang hindi mo kayang i-handle. So, being a mother, I will advise you in a nice way. Uh, I must study kung how to handle it, like kung magpapayo in a good way, and kailangan, I need to, what do you call that? Uh, Intindihin and will try to understand kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. And for me, it's love and understanding sa mga challenges na yan. Yun lang, parang kailangan mo siyang, kailangan mo siyang pag-aralan lahat. Kailangan maging, yung motivation na in a good way, in a good way, yung kailangan maging malumanay. Ganon.
Yes, I also believe that if you understand your problems, then half of it is already solved.
Yes, yes, I agree with you.